Inspection beam, clear and consistent edge-to-edge brightness, capable of illuminating a defined area up to 9 meters, 30 feet. Adjustable clip, versatile clip allows for easy storage in a pocket or toolkit. Specs, 20 meter, 65 feet, beam distance and 2-hour 30-minute runtime. Tested and rated to ANSI/FL1 standards. Tough, reliable, IP54 rated, designed for water resistance and durable aluminum body for 1 meter drop protection. Backed by the Coast lifetime warranty against defects in materials and workmanship. Included accessories: 1x standard AAA alkaline batteries and adjustable pocket clip. Top reviews from the United States. Great overall EDC light. I have like 7 of these. Pocket clip works great. Very waterproof. I've flipped a kayak with one of these in my pocket, still worked afterwards. Brightness isn't great, but very impressive for such a small package. Batteries seem to last forever. Even the ergonomics is fantastic. For a small palm-sized light, this is reliable, useful, and overall, quite impressive. If you get one, get 3.